doing, everybody? And welcome along to the first video since I've passed 10,000 subscribers. So thank you very much to everybody that has subscribed. It does mean a lot. I haven't really been that hung up on subscriber numbers for a while now. But then I can see 10,000 getting closer and closer. I thought, oh yeah, let's push on and try and get to 10,000 this year. And then I had quite a jump in subscribers then after my last video went up. But I think that sort of coincided then with Tom Pemberton putting a screenshot of the video on his Instagram, and after that, yeah, it jumped about 150 subscribers very quickly. So welcome along to all the new subscribers. But I'm doing something different today now. I am helping my in-laws with potato harvest today. So I'm driving a little Newholland T6 160 with the trailer on the back with 6 potato boxes on it. And I'm catching the potatoes as they come off the potato harvester. And then they've got a Grimmy potato harvester. It's the same harvester as been in previous videos, I think. If you look back through them, there'll be potato harvest videos and things. So it's the same machine, same kit pretty much, I think. So this is Newholland T6050 on the harvester. And we've got a Massey 5465, I think it is, all in one trailer, and then this little T6 I'm driving then on another trailer. So we're in the last field. You can see on the drone that we are clearing the land on the right hand side of the field as we're looking down there. That land is Maris Piper potatoes, and then the rest of it, I'm not sure what's in the rest of it. They tend to mix varieties up, potato growers do. They won't just have one variety in one field. Well, we don't down here in Pembrokeshire anyway, just in case a field fails. And just in case the field fails and they lose the whole lot, so they don't want to lose all one variety. So I think there's Maris Piper, Rock, and I'm not sure what else is in here then. Could be Orla maybe. They're the varieties we've been lifting. follow me on Instagram will have already seen some pictures and videos of us on spud harvest. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, have a look at it. It's Cotlandfarmer, same as the YouTube. And yeah, it's trundling along quite nicely. It's the 18th of October and ground conditions couldn't be better really. A big difference from my last video when I was rushing around in the rain to get the cows in. Today we're lifting potatoes and the soil is like a powder. The spuds you see lifting, they will all be sold through the farm shop, which is Gate to Plate farm shop, and also through chip shop and sort of other farm shops and chip shops and things then, all in bags. All bag trade these will be going through. So there's 3 of us here at the minute on tractors. I'm on one, and we've got the other 2 boys working the farm on another 2 on the harvester and the other tractor and trailer, and then there's 2 ladies on the harvester picking off any weed that goes over, any stones and any greens or rocks that they can, if they've got time to pick greens or rocks. Then they may not always have time. They usually pick the greens and rocks in the shed when they're grading, but we aren't grading today because we're pushing on to try and get finished because it's supposed to be pouring rain tomorrow. So we are just lifting into boxes and stacking the boxes in the shed ready to grade in the rain. So there we go. Hope you've enjoyed that little bit. Big thanks out to Tom Pemberton. I'll have to owe you a couple of pints when I meet you, Tom, once this coronavirus buggers off and we can meet people. I'll have to buy you a couple of pints for mentioning me and boosting the channel over 10,000 subs. Thank you to everyone that has subscribed, new and old, and thank you to everyone that likes videos and comments, whatever. It is very much appreciated. Very, very much. So, yeah, thanks for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.